Hello everyone, this is Leo, your tool guy. Alright, so today we're going to discuss a brand new product from NEBO. It is a micro headlamp and cup light. And I'm going to read and describe these new LED lamp from NEBO. And it says 6 light mode, 10 hours max runtime, direct to red, rechargeable, 400 lumens, and it says here in the back, the NEBO micro headlamp and cap light is rechargeable, hands-free 400 lumens lighting solution. The integrated tilt feature allows you to position the beam exactly where you want it, and it includes adjustable strap, USB charging cable, and user's manual. Okay, here it says when you turn to red mode, it will last up to 10 hours with a reach of 3 meters. On green, which is 1 lumens, 10 hours, 3 minutes. On its LED light, you can operate this with 15 lumens, 5 hours, 10 meters. With medium, you can use it with 50 lumens, 2 hours runtime, 18 meters. And on high, you can go 150 lumens, 1 hour for 50 meters. And you guys can use it or operate it too with turbo power, which means using 400 lumens max for 30 minutes and 80 meters. So super cool, lightweight, handy. One of the smallest LED that I've seen in a headlamp with rechargeable. That's the swivel. I think this is where you charge the USB port, the switch. So right now you're on high, medium. Yep. All right. Pretty nice, right? Okay. That's about it. New NEBO headlamp flashlight. Very cool. Very nice. Okay, if you like my video and you get this informative and helpful, please like and subscribe. Follow me at Tool Guy Leo Elvis. Thank you.